What if I told you that your brain, your memories, your clarity, your sharpness does most of its healing while you sleep? But for many seniors, that healing never happens the way it should. You've felt it, the forgotten names, the misplaced glasses, the room you walk into and suddenly you can't remember why you came, the thoughts that slip away just as you're trying to hold on to them. You may think this is aging. You may think it's normal. You may think it's permanent. But what if I told you it's not? What if the real problem isn't your age, but the lack of brain nourishment before sleep? You see, after the age of 55, the brain loses a certain type of fatty acid and antioxidants that protect it. If the brain doesn't receive them at night, it cannot repair damaged cells, and your memory continues to fade little by little. But here's the powerful truth. Memory decline can be slowed, supported, and even improved if you nourish the brain at the right time. And the right time is right before bed. Why bedtime? Because nighttime is when the brain enters what scientists call glymphatic cleansing, a deep cleaning process where your brain washes out toxins, repairs neural connections, and builds new memories. But the brain can only do this when it has the right fuel. That's where this memory boost night drink comes in. A simple drink, a natural blend, a brain-loving formula seniors have been using quietly all around the world to rebuild sharpness, clarity, and focus. Here's what you need. 1 cup warm milk or almond milk, 1 teaspoon flaxseed powder or chia seed powder, 1-2 teaspoon turmeric, a pinch of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon honey. This simple mix does something extraordinary. Turmeric reduces inflammation in the brain. Flaxseed provides omega-3 fatty acids to strengthen memory circuits. Cinnamon boosts blood flow to the brain. Honey calms your nerves for deeper sleep. Warm milk helps trigger melatonin for memory consolidation. As this warm drink enters your body, it does not just help you sleep. It gives your brain the exact nutrients it needs to repair years of stress, aging, and mental exhaustion. Now imagine doing this every night. Your sleep becomes deeper. Your mind becomes clearer. Your morning confusion slowly fades. Your recall improves. Your focus sharpens. Not because of pills, not because of medication, but because your brain is finally getting what it needs. And here's something even more powerful. If you pair this drink with a simple 90-second breathing routine, your brain gets an immediate oxygen boost. Just breathe slowly, inhale 4 seconds, hold 2 seconds, exhale 6 seconds. This activates the memory centers in your brain. For seniors, this combination is gold. It's gentle, it's natural. It's scientifically aligned with how the brain repairs itself. So tonight, try it. 1 drink, 1 ritual, 1 promise to your brain. Your memory has carried your life story. Now it's time to support it back.